Oh, came on over here. I got a 2020 right now. I think 20 to 23 are the same. It's a Dodge Charger, so maybe 19 and up. I'll find out exactly what year it is. So you got two Phillip down here. You got to remove, and then you can pull it out. You get to right here. You want to find the purple, no, gray, violet, and then gray, yellow. Gray, violet is power, and gray, yellow is the negative. Sorry, positive, and then gray, yellow is negative. So I'm gonna use a T-tap right here. This is a good T-tap. You just put it right here, and take a plier and crimp them. What I usually do, I usually ran the speaker wire, but in my case, because I'm using a Kicker CXA, so CXA doesn't require the line out converter, so I'm gonna just cut this and put positive, positive, negative, negative. I got the RCA jack split. I got the two positive on one side and two negative on one side. So the positive I got to put on into purple, gray, violet, and then gray, yellow is the negative. So all the RCA jack colors different, and I can show you if you need some help figuring out which side is positive, which side is negative. This is positive, this is negative. So we ran the jack all the way to the back. This is a short video. I ran the power with the fuse to here, the batteries right here, the positive, and then the negative. It's right here. See, that's a negative, that's a positive, and then I hooked this jack that I ran to input of the amp. What I'm trying to tell you, that Kicker's got a high and low output. So if I click it down is high input, which is what I'm doing right now. So if you got low input, you need the line out converter. You click it up on the Kicker CX 400.1. We're hooking up the Comp VR 15 right here. All he need was just one. Now if you have, I'm installing only the 15, so as you can see, I ran the speaker. He's got a positive and negative right there, some mono block, and I did not have to use the remote wire because this amp's got a built-in audio input. All you have to do is, like I said, push this to the high input, and then the light will stay on for about less than a minute, then it will work. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below.